Jai Shankar, welcome all of you. Welcome. Uh, I welcome all of you here to Gharana concert. I am Gunjan Vasant Hosangri, and it's my pleasure to welcome all of you today. कुछ इस तरह से नए साल की शुरुआत होगी, चाहत अपनों की सबके साथ होगी, न फिर गम की कोई रात होगी, न ही गम की कोई बात होगी। दुआ है हमारी कि नए साल में आप पर सिर्फ खुशियों की बरसात होगी। एंड आई विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। टुडेज घराना स्पेशल प्रोग्राम इज नव वर्ष की शुभकामना। Today, we are so proud to have not one, but two versatile Amchi stars dazzling in the Bollywood skies. So, without much ado, let me present this video to all of you and leave it on you to guess this cute, humorous, entertaining, talented, awesome, neotric artist. Well, in these adjectives, I have given you a hint of whom I'm going to introduce. So, now, before I introduce today's main artist, here is the video. Go through this video, browse this video, and guess today's performer. Here is the AV for you.
अरे रामू, अरे भाई, अरे थोड़ा एसी बढ़ा दो, गर्मी हो रही है।
हाँ मैं, तू बेवफा।
आओ, अबे रामू, अबे बड़ी गर्मी हो रही है, थोड़ा एसी बढ़ा दे। आओ।
क्या आप क्लोज अप करते हैं?
हे रामू, अरे बड़ी गर्मी हो रही है, चल एसी बढ़ा दे। क्या?
चिपकू।
अबे रामू, अबे बड़ी गर्मी हो रही है यार, एसी तो बढ़ा दे, बच्चे की जान लेगा क्या?
रुपया तो मिस्टर, तेरी मम्मी का प्यार, जो पैदा करता तुझे तो कभी न कर सकता मेरे यार।
आमा, अरे कौन कहता है कि कमबख्त के होश नहीं? थोड़ा सा कुछ होश बाकी है, थोड़ा सा माल और।
अरे अभी तो मुझे लव बाइट दिया।
मोना डार्लिंग, वेरी स्मार्ट गर्ल।
उल्टी सीधी चलते हैं।
आमा, अरे कौन कहता है कमबख्त के होश नहीं है, थोड़ा सा माल और। अरे कौन कहता है कमबख्त के होश नहीं है?
अरे साले मुझे मार देगा।
किया जिसने पैदा वो ईश्वर है ना मैया। The whole thing is that कि भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया।
अबे ओ लाला, अबे धंधे की बात कर। अरे फिर ना कहना कि माइकल दारू पी के धंधा करता है।
रास्ते से हटो, सजा दो बाजार, अबे खाली करो, आया नया राजकुमार। अरे आओ मेरे संग, उसे देखो तो हो जाए प्यार।
किरण का भाई करण अमेरिका में पढ़ता है, मैंने कहा पढ़ो। फिर जाके बोला अन्ना तुम्हारे साथ काम करूंगा, मैंने कहा करो। उसका क्या है सर, मुझे तो आज ही पता चला कि नहीं तो मैं कल ही आ जाता है, अच्छा काफी अच्छा खेल है, पिछले साल जिस प्रतिभाशाली व्यक्ति की हम चर्चा कर रहे थे,
हमें भी ये महसूस होता है कि जो इस तरह से जनता हमारा ये जो प्रेम है, ये जो सब हमें देते हैं, हमें उसमें बड़ा ही सुकून मिलता है।
साथ चले तो बात चले।
Very well, very well. I hope you got it, right? So, it is C from cute. It is H from humorous. It is E from entertaining. It is T from talented. It is A from awesome. And it is N from neotric. So, it is CHETAN. Chetan, yes, Shri Chetan Shashital Ma'am, the iconic multi-star voice behind innumerable commercials, jingles, films, cartoons, videos for more than 3 decades. Besides being a successful voice talent, Chetan Shashital Mam is an accomplished writer, singer, actor, composer, director, and a producer as well, having won several prestigious awards for excellence in voicing both in India as well as abroad. I could go on and on and on speaking about his achievements and the plethora of talent what he has, but today let's hear directly from him only. So here is Chetan Shashital Mam in conversation with Shri Mahesh Nileshwar Mam, the founder of Gharana Concerts. Chetan Mam, welcome. And here is Mahesh Mam.
Good morning, Chetan Mam, Kasha sir.
We are good night now, right?
Why? So thank you everyone for joining today. As Gunjan Mam said,
Wait. I'm seeing so many people on the screen.
yeah,
Huh?
आणि
it look मेरे तुमगले US and to Canada and to कहीं उठाऊं.
why? So आता मी सगळी बरे करणं तुमच्यात उलोया. See, so bad it is. So
Exactly. तो मी आधी कसं ट्राय केलंय. It is very good. मस्त मजा. आम्ही आधीच रूप दिसत आता.
So, Chetan Mam, हांव तुका निमगून चाशील की तूं केन्ना आनी कशी आमगेल parents always say की तूं engineer जा, तूं doctor जा, तूं lawyer जा म्हणून. How did you convince your parents to get into this field, or how did you get into this field?
No, thank hard battle आशिल्लें. I did my engineering. I became a B in production engineering, and plus I again did my masters in computer design. Zalari, my field started, when I was at my second year. Second year, and I started dubbing. I started dubbing, with which I didn't know anything about it. But anyway, सांगपण धोरणो आमगेल घरान तू जे एक कल्चर असतं पळय आम्ही संस्कार म्हणटा ते आमगेल घरान संस्कार कशे आशिल्ले की सकाळी उठना पळय ते रेडिओ आयकोनचो ते रेडिओर कलकल आयकोनचे ते सगळे आमी आयकताले आनी ते देर वॉज समथिंग 1982 when आमगेल घरान तू फर्स्ट टाइम कलर टीव्ही आहे आणि त्या कमर्शियल आमी पळयताली. So every time I used to think, कि अच्छा, add, whether it is correct or not. She करता विचार आशिल्लो. But when I was in my second year of engineering, Tawali, because of my earlier, pursuits in intercollegiate events and all that, and I used to every time go and participate at intercollegiate events for and represent my college. Our time, winged voices korche, and they used to have an event called as Impact, and it's an Impact event antu. Our latest kal astala that I used to do, and tantu taitla. It became so popular because a lot of people, noticed it. And finally, after 3 years, they told me, ki, no, sir, you don't come, don't participate. You become a judge. You come as a jury. But at that point of time, He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. A series, there was an animation series. I don't know whether you remember it or not.
Yeah. It's all our childhood back home.
Why childhood?
Only the color TV.
Exactly. So that He-Man and Masters of the Universe, and then the Skeletor like voice.
Not so soon, Evelyn.
And entire this I did, and then I had done the entire Star Wars स्टार वॉर्साचे असेल पळय तें एक हांव केलेलें नाव
Darth Vader, right?
वय डार्थ वेडर आनी सगळे मागीर स्टार वॉर्स नाव Darth Vader's voice was done by the original voice was done by James Earl Jones.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then this voice was then harmonized using whatever technology was there at that point of time to pitch him down and make him sound lower, and then a faulty AC draft was mixed with that voice to make it sound like a humanoid. Because this is what the brief was given to me, because when I dubbed for Darth Vader.
Sample.
See, James Earl Jones, James Earl Jones is like, this is CNN. How ताका लावस आणि तो तशीच उलयलो, come Luke, come and join the dark side. अशें उलयलो. But when you actually listen to Darth Vader in the movie, come Luke, come and join the dark side. The hand transformation that was a big challenge for us. And how can deeper voice Korn Patel no, this voice is very deep. Because I said this voice. This was the original voice, actually, what was there in the film.
Mm-hmm.
But it was really fun. Then Lucas sent me a brief and all that. Then again I did the same thing in Hindi and all that. So the maja ashirti, ma'am.
And how did you get introduced to Hollywood, Bollywood? Kashi's Bollywood.
Bollywood Mary.
Right.
Ami Sanparantu, when I was very young, I should mimic a lot of things, and I never knew what my potential was until I
Right.
competed with intercollegiate and college events and all that. Sumar events जिंक करना पड़ा है. Every time I used to go, कि मतलब अरे बाबा सर आप आ गए, अभी हम लोग क्या करें? Then they asked me कि you come as a jury. तावली कल डालें कि one of the events, somebody who was there, he was probably a third or fourth assistant in some film production. हाँ. And तो मान लेंगे क्या आप पिंचू कपूर का वॉइस कर सकते? I will have to work on it. See, because the understanding of the voice is very important. Magal to task, I understand every voice. Like even if I am speaking to you, you speak to me for 2-3 minutes, I will talk to you in your voice now. Okay. This is the skill. Ani amikal how why I'm so proud, because Ami Saraswati. Amka Saraswati Mateka little horde vardana. We can do anything. Okay.
We are proud of you too.
No, exactly.
Why?
नाही त्यामुळे ती केलं असता की ह्या कशी जाल्ल्या थंय तावळी आणि त्या केल्लें, and that is how my entire journey in dubbing started. I dubbed for Pinchu Kapoor and Magiri, Sunny Deol, and till date I have dubbed for more than 150 top actors of the industry. Till date in advertising I have dubbed for more than 35,000 commercials. Okay.
And it's also interesting, it's also interesting to note, generally actors are put into pigeonholes, how serious actor, how comedian, how ashi, tashipurai. But you have all the 150 actors within you, which is amazing.
It's not just 150 actors. See, even you are an actor. Now I'm listening to you. I can still speak in the kind of the voice that you're speaking, Has that. Okay. So every voice is a voice actor.
Wow.
How you commit? It may not be that you are in the profession of dubbing or you are in the profession of voicing and all, but your voice is very important. I always tell people that your voice is your nada. तुगल voice हो, तुगल नाद असं. तू उलयत बळ्या. तुगल आवाजान तू कित लोकांक इन्फ्लुएन्स करू शकता. That is your नाद. This is your power. And the moment your nada connects to the Brahmanada, then you achieved it. Bakit सगळे it's okay. But this is just like daytime duties or whatever. But that is very important because how how a person communicates, how you're able to change your voice, or whatever you want to do at any given point of time, you have to have complete control. ताच खातीर कल जाता म्हळ्यार आमगेले ब्रिदींगाचेर कंट्रोल जावंका मामा कळ्ळें. ब्रिदींगाचेर कंट्रोल जावंका because our trachea is like a flute. You have to know how to play the flute.
All right. So any
So the
actor
way you change your pressure, your voice will change.
any actor you thought was challenging his voice, and you overcame and dubbed him or her or them?
No, अशी केलें ना कल जाता. Every assignment is a challenge.
Mm.
I was quite young that time, and Prahlad Kakkad asked me to. I wanted to dub for TN session.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that TN session he was an endorser for what do you call Safal. आणि तू ताकाला आवाज करचो आशिल्लो सफल. So his age, how do you manage the age? There are सगळे आता. And that ad was, did you know I was a vegetarian? People say vegetarians are weak, indecisive and slow. And in the end he says, शाकाहारी रहो. बहुत अच्छा है. आजकल के केलेलं आहे. But ताकाला was it grand match चलता म्हाका मेळेल तो मला अरे boss, I didn't know I spoke so good Hindi. See, my one point is in my career, I have met all the top persons. I'm just waiting to meet Mr. Modi. But once I meet a person, within 5 minutes, I catch his voice.
So how did you get into voice of cricketers? Do you have, I know you...
Yeah, it was just it was just a part of profession.
Oh, okay. Advertisement or...
वय आणि कल जाता तांतू की ऍड आणि तू कोण मॉडेल असं ताका वॉइस करचे सर होय की ना मारी मगेले एक्चुअली in advertising, if you think about it, मगेले first advertising commercial, okay, when I was a model, was with Sachin Tendulkar.
Oh, okay.
Okay, when it was also one of his first commercials that he is playing cricket with children, आणि तो जोरान shot मारता आणि he breaks the windshield of my truck, and my truck is a Pepsi truck, and suddenly I get down from the truck and I just go on and just catch him. Then I realized that he's Sachin Tendulkar. And I said, "Oh, Sachin, have a Pepsi." This is the first commercial. He's also one of the first commercials. त्यावेळी त्या कमर्शियलान तू प्रल्हाद was the director. Magal and Prahlad, we associate ourselves for long time. That Prahlad said, "You do." Acha, I had to play the Sardar. Matteri. Atta, while Magal Matter Casashilo. Now I'm cashless.
We are
Okay.
all. Today's
Yeah.
program is special in that way that all Gunjanma, me, you are all cashless.
No,
First
it's not that.
program.
But I'm telling you, but at that time, I had a lot of hair. But still then, Prahlad said, yo, bhai, tu wo wig laga le, pagdi laga le, and you become a sardar. So what happened that time was that Prahlad said, Sachin, this is Chetan, this is Sachin. I said, okay. And तो चार कशें एकदम सान he was very young.
Hmm.
And Prahlad told him, okay, Sachin, now you do this is he guy is going this is going to he is going to play the Sardar and he's going to catch you and you will say sorry and असे. आणि माग घेताना म्हणे and this guy is also going to do your voice. त्यावेळी सचिन हा नेमगेला but how can he do my voice? तर हांव ताका म्हळें just like the way you are talking right now. अशें मारना पडटा म्हण हाय ला he was shocked. So this high la became a trend in all the commercials which happened later on.
And any
Till
other
date,
cricketers like Vinod Kamli or I don't know, Ravi Shastri, maybe. I don't follow that much, but
No, but yeah, even Kapil Dev and all that.
yeah.
My wife is a big fan of Kapil Dev. So Kapil Dev was shooting for a commercial for Samsung refrigerator. And my friend Kiran Devans was directing and shooting for the commercial. He said, please come because I wanted to dub for Kapil. And by that time, I had already done Britannia 50-50 Maska Chaska. And I was the studio. And I met Kapil also. And Kapil saw me and said, hey, you the guy who done the Britannia commercial. Yes, sir. And Kiran Devans, he's going to dub you also. Hey, yaar, if you can do us or you can do anybody. I don't know, but it's like that. But I have done the entire cricket team, and it is a grace of God. And आमगेल एक आमगेल सारस्वत आंके एक जे वरदान असतं पडा. We go to the end.
We work hard and we succeed. And anything because Gharana is a classical classical semi-classical program. Have you dubbed any or can you show us some classical musicians voices? If you can mimic them, that'll be good.
Classical में कल असता कि everything is classical. आणि घराणा. See, when we went into research, Mary, आम्ही सगळी नॉर्मली सगळे आमची गल असतात पळय ती नांक अंठान उलयता ती. Even you are also a nasal tone, right?
Yeah.
So we decided that we did a lot of research की घराणा कल कशी करच्या. आता ह्या सुद्धा आमकां घर आणा ना.
Right.
तो ह्या घर आनंद तो कल्ले. But anyway, that nasal tone आमची गेल्या आमगेल सगळ्या भट माम सुद्धा ही नेझल असता ती. तुमकां घरा पूज जाता भट माम येतात
Why?
कोण येता?
Guess who? Dinkar Saukur Bhatmam. Heard it's your favorite. Heard it's
My
your
favorite.
Yes.
My dear.
Yeah.
My dear Dinu Bhattu.
Why?
आता ता कल असता बरं सगळं हाण दवरला बे हा म्हाका काय सांग तू थोडं हें घाण दी थोडं चिल्लर घाण दी हें सगळं नाकात दिसता ओके बट nasal tone is something which is very funny. Nasal tone always creates humor. त्यामुळे ते आम्ही रिसर्च करताना हा घराणा बनवला आहे that if you go nasal then all the comedians are nasal. All comedians are nasal. So if you take one comedian, if you say Johnny Walker, Johnny Walker, ताक घेतला, you take him as a pilot, आणि ताजे अर्थानो you can get all the other comedians. Okay, मामा पाची सगळे घेतात की ना. If you can, you cannot reply because you all are muted, but at least nod your head.
Why?
Okay, so Johnny Walker chila.
आमा अरे कौन कहता है कि कमबख्त के होश नहीं, अरे थोड़ा सा होश बाकी, थोड़ा सा माल और.
Okay,
Mm.
that was his tone. That is a nasal tone. Ata hantu, when you increase the bass in the voice, bass manari, then immediately you get Om Prakash.
वो आमा अरे कौन कहता है कि कमबख्त के होश नहीं है, अरे थोड़ा सा कुछ होश बाकी है, थोड़ा सा माल और.
Then you get Om Prakash. Okay, आता Om Prakash उलट ताका गळा दाबलो, then you will get Jagdi.
अरे आमा कौन कहता है कि कमबख्त के होश नहीं है.
So then you will get Jagdi. अशी करून आम्ही घर आना त्याप्रमाणे आम्ही वॉइसान सुद्धा घराणा बांधले. Exhauster, your voice exhaust दितात पण exhauster. People who leave voice, air. That is called as a asthma garam. Asthma. And the primary in that is Ashok Kumar. प्यारे दोस्तों, तागल आवाजच म्हणे छान पकाया तर एक्झॉस्ट मस्त असता. आज घराना में सुनेंगे बहुत सारे लोगों को हम लोग. But if you take this voice as a sample, then from Ashok Kumar, you can go to other voices also. मैं थोड़ा बेस कमी करता हूँ, you can understand क्या हो गया now. I can get Shakti Kapoor, I can get Mithun Chakravarti, I can get Akshay Kumar. प्यारे दोस्तों, अगर बेस कम केलं, प्यारे दोस्तों आओ, this will become Shakti Kapoor. प्यारे दोस्तों, पब्लिक के पास टाइम नहीं है क्या? This will become Mithun. फिल्मी जिंदगी में नाम है, शोहरत है, धूप मिट्टी पसीना. This becomes Akshay Kumar. You go through all the voices in that range. So that is something, that is a study, and people have to actually go through it and understand. आम्ही आमकां आजूबाजूक लोकांक आयकता ती आम्ही केन्नाय लक्ष दिना ती कोण कशें उलयता,
Only if
लक्ष दिना ती.
Why? Only if it's a peculiar voice, either it's high pitch or low pitch or something that doesn't doesn't suit our hearing, which we are used to, then we tend to recognize the voice and remember the voice. But if it's something very common, as
ना
you
तश
said,
नाही. See the way नाही अशी कला असल्यारी कोणा अशी उलयल्यारी कशी जायना तर आमकां जर अशी see that is the pitch you are talking at, right? Every voice is peculiar. Your voice is your naad.
why?
तो तुमका नाद
Identity.
your identity,
Yeah.
right? You have to see that your naad has to connect to the naad Brahma.
Yeah.
That connect झाल्यारी then it's you achieved it. No.
Correct. Correct.
So there are so many things. Say like even आता मी आता we talked about normal voices and ह्या सगळ्या, but the more fun is when you do cartoon characters.
Hmm.
Right?
Why?
So when we do cartoon characters, we have to go. When I worked with Disney or when I worked with Pixar, whosoever, like definition is the character definition. Okay, like when I dub for Mickey Mouse or Goofy or Baloo the Bear and all those things, there was a character definition. Do you know? तू थंय रावता अमेरिकेन तो
Why? Canada.
मैं कॅनडान रावता मैं रे तू विचार केला तुवें की नाही की मिकी माउसाक वॉइस कल आशिल्लो कोण केल्लो तुका तुवें
I don't know.
Mickey Mouse was always voiced by Walt Disney when the character started.
Wow.
And what was the voice definition of the character? It was called as a male falsetto of a heavy cigar smoker.
Hmm.
Because Walt Disney was so much in love with Mickey Mouse, he used to himself dub for Mickey Mouse.
Mm-hmm.
And he was a heavy cigar smoker. So whatever voice he generated, it had that, what you call, like crackle, yodel kind of thing. Yata.
Mm.
Yes, Your Honor. And how? I was coming. I was here and there.
आता मला ते अशी त्या क्रॅक जाता. So this is what I did when I did even for Mickey Mouse. Then I even did Baloo the Bear. Hey, you must be confused, Miss Cunningham. We've got strawberry jam, not Rudy's. We want some. So all these characters, चांगलं definition येतात. Then I've also done the Genie of Aladdin here in India. I have sent you,
Yes.
The songs. So as a voice actor is complete only when you understand singing. Further, singing, you should be able to sing. Like I've said, Ali Baba ke the 40 jo shehzade ke the deewane. Malik kul kismat lagi lottery, mila jadoo jo har na mane. The singing has to come.
Yeah.
And I've been learning Hindustani classical for the last, I don't know what, maybe 35 years. I'm still learning. I have not understood what it is. But I know. But singing or learning is a never-ending process.
Yeah.
You have to be a student for life. So cartoon uncle hai, the Goofy karcha. Goofy is known for his laugh. Right.
Right.
Gosh, I'm so brave, Mom. I'll be coming down the mountains when she comes. This is there. right? So all this is there. So even when we work with Lucas or all this Star Wars or all these series, uh, Tanta Sudai as a definition, Star Wars, Darth Vader, his voice was by James Earl Jones, who was doing
Uh,
this is CNN. But when they harmonized the voice and changed it and mixed it with all the other paraphernalia to create
mm.
the sound of Darth Vader,
Welcome, young Skywalker. Come and join the forces of the dark side.
it completely changed that.
So we have a question from an audience
Ah.
asking, how many artists have you dubbed in one film? Have you dubbed for multiple artists in a film?
No, as artists, yes. As actors, I have dubbed for more than now till date more than 300 actors.
Mm.
But in one particular film, yeah, I have done 38 characters.
Wow.
Okay,
Wow.
that
Yeah.
was for the film called as the Fisher. It was an animation film,
Mm.
the Fisherwoman and Tuk Tuk,
Oh,
which
okay.
won more than 19 or 20 international awards.
Wow.
Where I had done the entire script also. I did all the 38 voices, and I also sang the title song. I also composed the music for the title and everything. So how can that?
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you. So we have another 5 minutes. Ani, do you have any advice for upcoming artists or youth from Amchi community who want to probably take up this as either a hobby or as a profession?
See, one thing is that I always tell people that it's very important that first, whatever you want to do, first you need to know your voice.
Why?
If you know your voice, you have to know about it. You have to understand. You need to know how to play your instrument. Once you know, then there is nothing stopping you. Okay. But regarding diction, voice, अशी सगळे म्हणल्यार आमगेले सारस्वत समाजान आमकां सगळें शिकयल्लें आसता की सकाळी उठा न्हू संध्या करका हें करका म्हणजे गायत्री मंत्र म्हणका आमी मंत्र पुष्पांजली हे मंत्र आनी हे सगळें म्हणजे इम्पॉर्टंट आसता. कोण कसले करता खंय करता कोणाक वचना बट हें करका बिकॉज आमी केन्ना मंत्रोच्चार करतात पळय त्या वेळी आमगेले जे our diction improves a lot.
Okay, there's one more question. I will rephrase it. Over the years, do you find it difficult to dub on account of aging? As you mature.
I don't at all feel anything regarding aging. Because okay, if I would have done this entire interview in this voice, people may have thought that I must be 60, 70 years old. Right?
Why?
So you need to know what your voice is all about. I can still sound younger. Yeah, I may have been able to talk to you in this voice or whatever. Yeah. So there is nothing regarding the age. First and foremost is that you need to understand what your voice is all about.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mom. Can we end the program with, let's say, Bal Gandharva or any of the classical music voices that or multiple voices before we end the program?
Exactly. You see, Uncle, I always say कि आमगेले हांतू सगळ्यांक like I really appreciate the South Indians because South Indian प्रत्येक घरांत कसले ना कसले पण एक art शिक्का. Maybe you either you play a music instrument or you take up singing. आमकां पयलीं आशिल्लें पण आतां खंय तरी हें डिसिपेट जालें आनी विसरल्यात लोक. तरी
Culture.
हें सिंगींग एटलिस्ट हांव काल म्हणटा की एटलिस्ट लिसन. आतां कोणाक आयकूंक तयार ना, कोणाक आयकूंचें ना. People don't want to listen also.
Yeah,
Right?
we've lost the listening skill.
Yeah. No, exactly. I don't know where you're asking me about. Have your kids heard Kumar Gandharva?
Yes, we always, so just not to divert from the topic, for at least past 10 years is when we got a TV. Before that, we did not have a TV at home. So every day, I've been a Kansen all my life. So I've always listened to music like my dad used to do. He used to always play the cassette, Bhagyada Lakshmi Barama or Bhimsen Joshi or somebody playing in the background. So we've always grown up like that. And I've tried to inculcate that into my kids. So we've
Very
been...
good. Exactly. So when you say about Kumar Gandharva, he tagal voice, Malagiri chai chandana gandhita dhupatulla davila. His problem was his voice became like this because he had a lobectomy and tagal lung So the pressure in the voice is to change depending on how much he is able to sustain. Right? Purva dishela जोपर्यंत pressure असा गुलाल उधळून उषाकाल झाला आता थंय वार वचले.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can we end it with Bhimsen Joshi or?
Bhimsen Ji is also Bhimsen Ji. He's my uncle's. He was my uncle's classmate. But I really feel that you should think about Jitendra Abhisheki also.
Okay. Sure.
Michael Haran.
Why?
There are several things. Even there is D.V. Paluskar. There are so many things.
But I know we are short on time. So anyway, we have to get my Ajja online.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you for coming over, being part of the Gharana family. We hope to see you again.
Yeah. Call my
Bye.
Ajja.
Bye.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much.
Vishwanath, come on. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you with us here. And we actually got to learn a lot of things about voice culture. And we actually were inspired by your experience. Thank you so much, Chetan Ma'am, once again. So, dear audience, our next guest for today is another Ramchi star gleaming in the Bollywood skies who just turned 79 years young yesterday, the 1st of January. The super harmonica player, Shri Vishwanath Shirali, popularly known as Vish. Belated happy birthday greetings to you, dear Vish Ma'am. A born musician, Vish Shirali Ma'am, a brilliant product of St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, and a very good Spanish guitarist, served as customer services manager in Air India. Post-retirement, the glamorous Bollywood discovered a very versatile harmonica player in him, after which there was no looking back. Vish Shirali Ma'am has been closely associated with very senior music directors like late Shri S.D. Burman and playback singers like Sonu Nigam and Shreya Ghoshal. So now it is my proud privilege to welcome Vish Shirali ma'am. Ma'am, please turn on your camera and unmute yourself. Vish ma'am, welcome ma'am, welcome.
Now you can see me?
Yes, please start ma'am. Welcome, a belated happy birthday to you ma'am.
Thank you.
May you always be healthy, may you always be as young, and may you always enjoy music and make others enjoy music. Welcome ma'am to Gharana, and the stage is all yours ma'am. Please start ma'am. Thank you so much ma'am.
Happy New Year. I'll start by playing an R.D. Burman song, O Hansini, on the harmonica.
Excellent, Vish ma'am, excellent. Thank you so much. Please continue ma'am, please continue.
The next one is a Shankar Jayakishan composition from Evening in Paris.
Thank you, ma'am. Wonderful. Before we go on to your next performance, ma'am, what I would like to ask you is that at this age of you're almost an octogenarian now. Uh, how do you manage to gather so much of breath to play the harmonica so well?
It's God's gift.
It's
I mean,
it's
people are surprised. I sometimes play 30, 40 songs in a private show.
it is
The younger harmonica players say that हम लोग तो 10 songs में हमारा वो
दम दम उखड़ जाता है, सांस उखड़
दम
जाती है.
दम
Yes.
हो जाते हैं सांस में। आप 20, 30 गाने कैसे बजाते हैं? You know, once I hold the harmonica, I forget about my age.
It's so nice. And you know, it's such a strange coincidence today that today both our artists are those who play with their breath,
Hmm.
who actually perform through the windpipe. It's such a it's such a coincidence. Anyway, Vishmam, please continue with your next performance.
Okay, my last song of the evening. Okay.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Thank you.
Ma'am, thank you. Uh, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us your time. And but before we let you go, this is the Christmas season, the New Year. all of us are in that frame of mind, even though the pandemic is there. But all of us are celebrating the New Year, the Christmas. So before you sign off, ma'am, I would request you if you could play some song like Jingle Bells or We Wish You a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, just to set off
Okay,
the
okay.
mood. I would
Okay.
please. It's just a request. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Uh, so touching. Touch.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for performing for us. And it was a pleasure listening to you once again. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Wish, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, welcome.
Thanks once
Yeah,
again.
my pleasure too.
And now, dear audience, as we come to the conclusion of today's Gharana online concert, I would like to hand over the spotlight to Mahesh ma'am. I do guess he's the Santa today. He must have something in his bag for us. So, well, Mahesh ma'am, here's Mahesh ma'am. And Mahesh ma'am, please unmute yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. A very, very happy new year to everybody. Sagalankai happy new year wishes from the Nileshwar family. Aji, we are beginning a new year. The last year was pretty tough. So I decided it's cold in Canada. So I wore this t-shirt, which probably most of you recognize is worn on a beach. So to make everyone feel hopeful and bright, so we all can travel and enjoy a better year 2021. Thank you. So as you always know, I have something to say at the end. So let me begin my vote of thanks. I'm really humbled and grateful for Wish Mom and Chetan Mom for their for being part of today's celebrations. I've written something in English, but I'll try to translate it into Konkani as I go. So excuse me if I mix it up with Konkani and English. So as you all know, it's the beginning of the year. So Karmanye Vadikaraste Mahapaleshu Kadachana. Focus on the task at hand. Don't let your actions hinge on the outcome. Normally, we say we want to do something, but we feel that we are going to be a failure. So even before trying, the outcome has been decided. Action is human. Result is divine. Last year, Sagalankai masta Vantashila, and it's probably the first time in all our lives that we all were in the same situation. Everybody was having difficulty. People lost jobs and people did not have income and many other anxious times. Even for me, with my family, everything was new and painful. But as the eldest son of the family, dad, brother, friend, I had to put up a brave face and be there and uplift everyone around me. And I'm sure most of you are doing that within your family and friends. In May 2020, Gharana was just budding, and I saw the enjoyment it brought to the people who attended our first concert in India, Canada, and USA, which was overwhelming. So after the Paglani Makfun Kelnana, you have to do this, you have to continue this. But surprise, it was not an easy journey, but we did not falter. Vasant Mam always said, Swamiji's blessings are with you. Go ahead. I started working with at an early age in India. And after all these years working around the world, I have and always respect a professional. People around the world have a lot of respect for politicians, doctors, etc. But classical musicians lack the same respect and adulation. So we started approaching some of the Amchi artists who were professionals, and we said to them, "Pada, programmers pada, ek seva, right? And it will all enlighten and enrich everybody who's sitting in their homes and listening." But some said, "We are professionals. We don't want to do seva unless there is some meva." So it wasn't an easy beginning, but I'm glad after almost 6 or 7 months, with a population of 20,000, I think, Amchis in the 2010 census, we have almost covered over 150 artists. A.R. Rahman concert gets sold in 30 minutes. Classical concert, ami free ticket dillar sudai kona yanati. This brings me to one of today's artists, Vishmam. I spoke to him yesterday and wished him on his birthday. And he said, I stopped playing because of my health reasons. And normally I think people, harmonica players play by standing. He said, I stopped playing and people still call me and say, "Baith ke bajao, so ke bajao." And I said, no, I cannot play it. But when Vasant Mam, a good friend of mine, called, I said, yes. That is friendship. So that is seva. And today, age, health, doesn't matter if you really want to do something for the community, for the people of the world. And Vishmam, I'm so thankful to you for doing this. For those artists who said that meva is important, I agree, I'm not denying it. But if you are a doctor and you go to a friend's house, Anitani Malaki, Are Mahesh, padra, magal challa, chikke sanshe fever asa. What would you do? Would you say, "Are how doctor phai takka magal clinic apun hadi"? Or would you take care of him for free? Think about it. It's not just when it comes to classical music or entertainment, do you have to worry about your meva. Seva will bring more meva. That is what I believe in. Anthony Robbins. So life is full of challenges, and challenges are thrown at us, and we need to prioritize them. Anthony Robbins said, "It is not what's happening to you now or what has happened to you in your past that determines who you become. Rather, it's your decisions about what to focus on, what things mean to you, and what you're going to do about them that will determine your destiny. The life you have left is a gift. Cherish it, enjoy it now to the fullest. Do what matters now." The life you have left, so let's do an exercise. Close your eyes and think of the people who matter the most to you. Now imagine what life could be like without them. Now think of the 3 possessions you own and do the same exercise. This will open your eyes to the wondrous things in your life and make gratitude a habit. Try this and let me know what you came up with. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It turns what we have into enough and more. It turns denial into acceptance, chaos to order, confusion to clarity. Talent is God given. Be humble. Fame is man given. Be grateful. Conceit is self given. Be careful. Talent is God given. And no one achieves success does without the help of others. The wise and confident acknowledge this help with gratitude. I offer all my gratitude to all those artists who are part of our Gharana family, and you, the audience, who are always here to encourage and support us. I end today's vote of thanks with a small prayer, and join me in saying, Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashitu kabab. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And I know this morning I was woken up with a great news that was spreading on WhatsApp. And I would like to announce the special announcement. On behalf of the President, Vice President, and Managing Committee of the Canara Saraswat Association, its chairman, Sri Jairam Kambat Kon, has informed Vasant Hosangdi Mam that they have decided to honor him for his achievement in the area of promoting music. I would correct it to say promoting music within our Amchi community and his contribution to Sri Chitrapur Mutt and Guru Parampara. This function is normally held on the Foundation Day of KSA, which falls on the 26th November every year. However, due to various reasons arising out of the coronavirus pandemic, this year it will be held on Sunday, 31st January 2021 by video conferencing using Zoom platform at 7 p.m. onwards India time. I hope you'll all be there to watch and bless and encourage Vasant Mam to do more than what he's already doing, right? Thank you, Vasant Mam. We love you. And now let's watch a New Year song that's been put together by Vasant Mam and Gunjan Mam. Before I go, Vasant Mam, would you like to say a few words? Okay, so Gunjan Mam, you can play the song that you and Vasant Mam have put together for New Year.
साथियों मेरे साथियों साथियों मेरे साथियों इस महफिल के मेहमान साथियों ऐ वक्त के हमराह साथियों साथियों मेरे साथियों साथियों मेरे साथियों हर दिल में है हर नजर में है हर धुन में है हर स्वर में है हर दिल में है हर नजर में है हर धुन में है हर स्वर में है मीठी 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 एक भावना मीठी मीठी एक भावना नव वर्ष की शुभकामना नव वर्ष की शुभकामना की शुभकामना, नव वर्ष की शुभकामना। इस महफिल के मेहमान साथियों, है वक्त के हमराह साथियों, नव वर्ष की शुभकामना, नव वर्ष की शुभकामना, नव वर्ष की शुभकामना।
Thank you so much for all the support and all the efforts. And thank you for being here with us always on a Saturday morning or Saturday night for you. And wherever you are, a Happy New Year from the Nileshwar family, Gharana family, to all of you. And hope we will overcome this situation and we'll be talking soon. So now you can all chat with Wish Mom. I think Chetan Mom dropped off. So please, everybody can talk to Wish Mom.